Now we will be doing some number games with 2-digit numbers. Okay, for this we are going to take up any two numbers and we will be applying some number of steps, and you would get that whatever steps are asking you to do and written theoretically is the product or is the answer that you are going to get every time. So for this game I would suggest you take 5 people with you. That could be your friends or your relatives, right? Take 5 people and ask them to choose a 2-digit number. Now once the 2-digit number has been chosen, ask them to write it down on a piece of paper. Next step would be to reverse the 2-digit number. That means if the number has been taken as 23 earlier, they can reverse the number as 32, right? So the 2-digit number that can be taken can be in the form of AB or BA, any way you want. Now the third step after reversing the digits would be adding the new number, that is the number having reverse digits, to the original number that you had thought of earlier. Now say for example I had thought of 23 and I am reversing the digits. So I am going to add them up together now. If you add them up together, that is 3 plus 2, 5 and 2 plus 3, 5. This is the product that I have got. Now after doing all the 3 steps, the fourth and final step that is going to play the trick now is that if you ask the person to divide this product, or you can say the sum, with 11, you can check. If you divide this, you are going to get the quotient as some value, right? Here it would be 5 and 5 5s as 55, remainder comes out to be 0. Now here you notice one thing, I have written it down. If you divide the sum with 11, you will always get a remainder 0. And your quotient, what is the quotient over here? This is known as my divisor. This is my quotient, and this last one written over here is my remainder, right? So you would notice I've got a quotient, this is my divisor, and remainder is always coming out to be 0. So over here for the example purpose, rather than taking any number, I am going to take the general form, because general form will give you the general results all the time. So the 2-digit number that I have chosen is AB. Now AB is my chosen number. That means B is on the ones place and A is at the tens place. So now if I reverse the digits, I would get a number as BA. Now carefully looking at this number, we can see that A is present at the ones place and B is present at the tens place. That means both the digits have interchanged their places. After this, the third step is you are going to add this number with the reversed digits number. If you add them both, you would get the digit AB plus BA. But we know one thing, as we have learned earlier, that any 2-digit number can be represented in the general form. So AB can be written as 10A plus B, right, because A was at the tens place. Now writing the other one, that is BA, in the general form, you would get 10B plus A. Why? Because B was present at the tens place over here. So for both numbers you are going to write the general form and add them up. If you add both these numbers, that means their general forms will also be added. Now how to add their general forms? You would simply write 10A plus B plus 10B plus A. That means you have added both the numbers now. That was to be done in the third step. Now we have added both the numbers like this. So what is the sum coming out to be? The sum will be when you add the like terms and the unlike terms together. See, there are like terms only present, that is 10a plus a would give you 11a, and b plus 10b would give you 11b. Now this is the sum. Out of this sum, we can clearly see that 11 is coming out common. So we take out 11 common, and what are we left with? Here we are left with a, plus over here we are left with b. So that means when you chose a number, you did the reverse of the digits and added them both. Over here you got 11 into a plus b. Now here, if you divide this number, whole number, with 11, you can clearly see the 11 and 11 getting cancelled. Now if the 11 gets cancelled, what will be your product? What will be your quotient? This is your sum. I divided with 11. The 11s get cancelled by 1 ones. What are we left with? A plus b. That means a plus b is my quotient, right? This is true for any number. Why? Because we have taken the general form representation. So if the general form is giving us this result, that means any two numbers taken up as example would give us the same result all the time, right? Any two-digit number would give us this result. That means taking two-digit number, doing its reverse, adding them both, dividing that sum with 11, you are always going to get a remainder 0, right? Because here we are only left with the quotient, that is a plus b, and the remainder is coming out to be 0 only. So that means this is true for any two-digit number. What about the quotient? There is one more property you can check. The digits that were a plus b. Now your a plus b is giving you the quotient. Let us check for this example over here. What were the digits I had taken up earlier? Earlier, as AB was taken, I have taken up 2 and 3. Now, can you tell me the value of A and B by comparing it with 2, 3? Your A is equal to 2 and your B is coming out equal to 3, right? Now, can you please tell me the value of quotient according to this? It would be equal to A plus B, that is 2 plus 3, giving you the quotient as 5. Clearly, we have checked over here also, when we divided the sum with 11, what was the quotient? It was 5. That means, if you summarize this, what is the answer? You have taken two digits, reversed the digits, added them both together. The sum that you have got is finally divided with 11. This is fixed. Whatever the sum comes divided with 11, you would find that your remainder always comes out to be 0, right? And your quotient will be the product, you can say the sum. It will be the sum of the digits that you had taken up earlier. Your A and B were your original numbers, so the digits of original number can be added together to give you the quotient. The sum will be equal to the quotient. So this is how this number game has been